I've been waiting on this since the Moto 360, and that's a long time. I've always wanted a pure Google watch, and ever since the Moto 360 came out and Wear OS came out, I was just like, Google, just give us a watch that's made by Google. Don't get me wrong, when Samsung partnered with Google and came out with a Galaxy Watch 4 that's running Wear OS, I was excited. It worked really well, but a lot of the features were still tied down to having a Samsung phone, and I just wanted that pure Google experience coming from Google itself in a watch form. And it's here. I'm ready to get into this unboxing. I'm ready to check this out, and I'm hoping that this blows me away. Let's jump in. All right, here it is, the Pixel Watch. I have it in the matte black color. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but it only comes in one size, and it has a lot of band options. Some of the bands are not available yet. It's coming out later in the year, but right now I got it in a matte black stainless steel case, and it's the black wristband. I'm gonna get some of the other bands when they come available. But I'm really excited to try out that new hinge too. It looked kind of cool, but look also a little confusing. But I'm ready to try that out. But anyway, Pixel Watch. Let's open this up. I want to see how I feel. I haven't watched any real videos on this yet, so I just want to get my first experience and my first impressions, like just not knowing anything. So I'm gonna open this up and let's see if the Pixel Watch like meets expectations. One of the things I'm hoping that it like actually meets is like notifications. Notifications on the Galaxy Watch, to me, the Apple Watch notifications just seems way better than what I was getting on here. Even some of the Google apps the notifications were better on the Apple Watch, which is always weird. So I'm hoping with the Pixel Watch, Google like fixes some of that and makes sure the notifications are better on the Pixel Watch than it is on Apple Watch. Anyway, here it is, the Pixel Watch. And why does it already have dust on it? I just open it and it has dust on it, and it looks good. It's smaller than I would like, but it looks, and you already can see you can already see those bezels are thick. But anyway, let's see what else we have in this box. Got this little Google card. Got some books. What's in here? I was trying to show you how to use the band, how to take it off. I actually might need to read this to see how you take the band on and off, because I have no idea how that mechanism works. But yeah, this is one book that I might actually need to read. We're gonna try it out first by myself, and then if I can't figure it out, I'm gonna bring the book back out. Anyway, let's see what else we have here. So this is the watch. Take this off. Take this off. Let's put this here. I'm gonna turn this little thing on later. But let's see what else we have in here. I don't want to do beast mode on this, but it's acting like it doesn't want to come out. All right, here we go. All right, the charging cable. Right, they really secured this thing in here. Come on, get out. Ah. almost went beast mode. But it's the normal charger for most smartwatches. It is USB-C. It does not come with a charging brick. But it's USB-C. I got a bunch of USB-C charger bricks I can plug this into. You can see it just pops on. The magnet isn't that tight, but it's good enough. I mean, I put it down and I'm not really trying to snatch it off or anything like that. But anyway, that's the charger. That's the box. Oh, and it also looks like an extra band. Maybe this is a larger size, or this is a small. You probably can see that in here, but it has a little S right there for small, so this is the smaller band. but I'm pretty sure this one will be just fine for me. But let's take a look around the watch. So we got like the heartbeat sensor right here. I'm excited. I'm just ready to get into it. But anyway, that feels good. And we have a button right here. I don't know what any of this stuff does yet. We're gonna find out as I go. But I do want to try to take off this. Oh wait, that button might be, no, it's just a regular button. Oh, that was really easy. Should it have been that easy to take off? I'm trying to put it back on. Oh, that came back on really easy. Oh, that button. All right, don't break it, Joe. So this button is what releases it. Oh, that's cool. It's really easy to put on, really easy to take off. So what about this one? Okay, this one has its own little button right there. Hopefully you can see that. So this one has its own little button right there. You press that. So this button is a little smaller, so. Oh, and it comes this way. That probably button should have been on the opposite side, being that it, okay. Putting this side back in doesn't seem as easy. Oh. It's cool, it's different, but it's a little finicky. That came off way too easily while trying to take the other one off. That makes me think, did I not secure it properly to begin with? It does not feel like it's locked in all the way. I'm spending a lot of time on this band, and that's because that's one of the things I really want to see how this works. But I'm spending a lot of time on it, and it does not feel secure right now. Maybe I didn't lock it in correctly. Anyway, let's turn this thing on. And how do I turn it on? We're just gonna hold this and hope it turns on. Or maybe this is a button. I am completely clueless on how this works. Turn on. Maybe the battery's dead. Let me charge this up and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back again with another one. No, literally, I'm back again with another one. This thing completely bricked on me. It wouldn't turn on, it wouldn't charge. It's dead on arrival, which is really sad because I was really excited to test it out. So I had to go out and buy another one. Was able to get the same black one again. I was really lucky that Best Buy was fairly close by, had one left in stock. Another Best Buy had one left in stock, but they sold out right before I was ready to process my order. But I was able to go pick it up the same day and come back and wrap this video up. So let's go ahead and open this one, and let's hope this one is not a dud too. But Google, I knew something should have been up too when this thing wouldn't want to lock right. The clamp on this one was actually stuck. It's a whole stuff I went through with this, but this right here was actually stuck, and that's why I kept on just opening up like that. But I have another one here, and this one also has dust on it. Oh man. But let's hope this one actually starts up, because I tried to charge that one for hours and it would not start. So put this back in the box. All right, let's try to see if we can turn this one on. Oh, we have life. All right. Now we can finish the unboxing. This one going back, trash, dead. We have the Pixel Watch, and it's live and in full effect. Taking a sweet time to start up. Yo, anyway, check out my home screen setup. Y'all, I'm really feeling this. I like all the little green accents and all that. But I'm really feeling this. But this looks like it is gonna take a minute for this to boot. At least it is booting. I don't think y'all understand how sad I was that this thing wouldn't want to turn on. Oh man, but like I said, I'm happy I was able to get my hands on another one, and hopefully we can set this one up and make it a smooth process. All right, what's going on here? Okay, here we go. Set up in process. Boom. And I picked it up. I'm turning the brightness up on this. Still there. All right. Go to Google Play. I gotta install the app. Install that real quick. Boom. It's a nice little animation going on. The display on here is looking pretty good so far. Telling me to continue on the phone, but the display is looking good. All right, welcome to your new Google Watch, Google Pixel Watch. Next, put on your watch. All right, let me see if I can put this thing on now. First time putting this thing on. I really want to check out some of the other bands. The Best Buy I went to didn't have any of the other bands when I was looking. But the band I really want is not being sold yet. But when it do go on sale, I'll be grabbing that ASAP. All right, I got the thing on the wrist. Check out that wrist profile. It's small, but not ridiculously small. It don't feel. It fits comfortably too. Learn how to switch bands. All right, I figured it out. When I originally unboxed it, the thing is a little finicky, and it's not that smooth to pop it off or pop it back on, but taking it on, taking it off is really simple once you know how to do it. But I guess you can see like the little walk through here in case you didn't kind of missed it when I was trying to figure it out. But you got those buttons on each side that you just press in and you turn. But it kind of goes on really smooth and easy, just once you know what you're doing. All right, we have this thing up and running. Looking good on the wrist. It's currently doing an update right now. But this is the default watch face. It looks pretty good. The screen is nice and bright. It's very responsive. It has all of these things you can go through real quick. The setting, everything is pretty much real responsive on here, but you could also go through all the different watch faces on the phone, which is probably easier to go ahead and set it like this. But if you can see right now, this is the default one I'm using right now, and you pretty much can swipe through and see all the other options in here. But I do like this one so far. It does take a while to like switch through things on here, but you can see I can add a whole bunch more complications on here and switch things up. I can really customize watch faces. I can say that so far the watch faces I've seen on here does seem to be lacking a little bit compared to the Apple Watch, but these are cool and it's different. I thought it would be a lot more similar to the Galaxy Watch. Galaxy Watch is definitely using a skin, and then the Pixel is just running, I'm guessing, like just native Wear OS. It might have its own little skin on top, but in navigation, everything is, and gestures is a little bit different than the Galaxy Watch. But like I said, these are like the tiles. So this is like when you swipe like left and right on the watch. So you swipe like left and right on the watch. So these are right here as pretty much those same tiles. You can customize them here, and they got quite a few of them. It could be more. Like I said, this is the first Pixel Watch, so I'm pretty much sure they'll add a lot more of these like in coming updates. And there is a update that's pending, but it's taking forever to even download. It's not even trying to install. It's taking forever to just download at this moment. But so far, I'm liking it. Just my initial impressions. I gotta take some more time with the watch and really like work out with it, listen to music with it, take phone calls with it, do some navigation. set up Fitbit on here, test all those out, because the Fitbit has a lot of workouts you do. I'm not going to do not even a quarter of those workouts, but I am going to do my normal routine, running inside on the treadmill, running outside, see how well it tracks, see how well it keeps up with the heart rate, because I am excited about this. This is Google's first attempt at it, and it's only going to get better from here, and I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. That's it for me for right now. Catch me in the next one. I'm out.